Hey guys, today is December 1st. It's my first day back vlogging. I'm really excited about vlogging today because I got some great content. I just been working really hard, guys, and haven't seen you all in a while, but hey, what can I say? I'm back. Last time you hear the stock exhaust. This is a cold start. 57 degrees here in Chicago. It's a cold winter day here in Chicago. Today is the day. Finally, I received a date to install my new Fabspeed exhaust, my Fabspeed Sport Cats, and my high flow air filter. I know you guys can't hear me. I don't normally have my mask on too long, but this mask is representation of a scarf because it's so cold out here. And when I got gloves on, these are not driving gloves. These are gloves to keep my hands warm. So without further ado, guys, let me show you the mods and follow me through the process today to change the exhaust sound on my C8 Corvette. Stay tuned, guys. This is the exhaust system for the C8 Corvette. This is the before. These are the Sport Cats for the C8 Corvette. I see that they sent me remove before flight keychain. Yeah, I got gloves on. It's cold out here. I guess these are bolts. This is the unboxing. This is the Sport Cat for the C8 Corvette. This is the right one. And this is the left one. Craftsmanship, and these are amazing. Oh, they're a little heavy. You see that in there? They got their stamp on here. I know you guys see that. A lot of individuals. This may not be the first time that you all seen Sport Cats from Fabspeed. But just as I tell everyone, you have the opportunity to order these products, but they take a little time. And this is gonna be the high flow air filter that I'll be putting on the C8 Corvette today also. I'll be putting the links in the description, and I'll be checking back with you all as installation and unboxing. So, once you guys go ahead and follow me, you know I got something up my sleeve. It's been a while. So we're walking in here to Red Garage, guys. We ain't been here in a while, so you know what I'm here for. You know what I'm here for. Walk with me, guys. You guys seen this a lot being done, but it's being done live now. Yes, sir. They are taking this exhaust down. Yes, guys. Got 3 guys over here on it. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Wow, guys, there. I had a high performance exhaust. You wouldn't see this if it didn't have a high performance. A lot of you guys think that my LT1 was all stock, but I did order the high exhaust system. Not high exhaust, high performance. When I ordered my C8 Corvette, guys. Well, this will be the first time that I've seen under my C8 Corvette. You guys see the date there? March 11th, 2020 is when this was on there. This is car 31. You all see that? All right. We got a little leaf. And you're probably wondering, what does the filter look like after 3,600 miles? This is what my air filter looks like after 3,300 miles, 3,300 miles. This is what the air filter looks like. So you guys know I'll be putting this one in here. And as you guys see, 3/11/20. This is unit 31. If anyone knows what the 31 means, that means it's a 31 Corvette made, or I don't know. I have to call GM and ask them what does that mean. But this is what it looks like, guys, with no bumper. So yeah, that's my C8 Corvette with no bumper and no exhaust. But I'm pretty freaking excited to hear what this Fabspeed delete muffler system is gonna sound like. You guys have any comments? You know, let me know. What do you think once you hear it? And you know, I just appreciate you guys following me through this process of what I'm doing with the C8 Corvette. So over here, this is the air duct that I took out for the air filter. Yeah, it's all gone, guys. So basically there's no more sport cat. There's no more cats in here. They're all gone, guys. And these are gonna be the Fabspeed sport cats that we're gonna be putting it on in here. You guys can see that. Wow. Yeah, guys, so you see the exhaust system going up on the C8 Corvette. Wow. A lot of you all see the carbon fiber, but I did the stainless steel tips on here, guys. I don't know if the 31 means this is car 31, built in March 11, 2020. This is the Fabspeed exhaust, guys. As you see, Fabspeed. It was hand built for me. Yes, Ryan Williams. And this is the builder who built it. Yeah, call me a kid in the candy store, guys, but give you a side view of those stainless steel tips. A lot of individuals have these in carbon fiber, but I did mine in the stainless steel tip. Got the heat shields going straight up there to the sport cats, guys. All right, so we're lowering it down. You guys see the KW coilover springs in here. A lot of you all wonder how my car is lowered. You see the notches in there, guys? How far I got it lowered. Amazing heat shield that they have in here, guys. So much. And you all see the sport cats right there. They're put in there. And you have this one over here. And there we go. Here, guys, so the new air filter has been installed. And that bumper is gonna be going back on there, guys. I know you guys like, are those exhaust tips sticking out like that? Yeah. Yeah, they're sticking out. Yeah, they're sticking out for real. Yeah, I didn't put those on there. Those are sticking out, guys. Wheels are going back on the C8 Corvette. The black diamond wheels. Yes, sir. Teamwork, teamwork, teamwork makes the game work. All right. Bringing her down, guys. I want to thank you guys for following me through this process with our C8 Corvette. It's settling in pretty darn good. I know you guys are ready for that cold start. Tell me you're ready for it. Ready for the cold start?